gentlemen, here we are at the 5th Annual Snoring Convention, where everyone competes to see who can snore the longest, loudest, and how many boogers they can blow out of their nose as they sleep. Last year's winner and this year's frontrunner, Jason Scott Centers, is now entering in the ring of doom. Will he win this year? We don't know. He's got the snoring capabilities, but he didn't have any sinus infections, so there's not a lot of snot going on. So we don't think he's going to get the booger competition down. But we're going to interview him. Jason Centers, how does it feel to be number one, ranked number one in all of Snorathania? Well, that's very interesting, Jason. I'm glad that you have such an articulate way of making your point. Now, as well, question number two. If you were an apple, what color would you be? Red, green, or orange?
Sounded orange to me.
Yes, I know they don't make orange apples, but that's okay. You can have any color you want. You want a purple apple? We can make it happen. Food coloring, a couple of grapes, maybe a midget. We can work this out. All right, question number 3. What was that? Speak up, I can't hear you. I'm sorry, I don't understand what you're saying. All right, well, that's enough, ladies and gentlemen. We appreciate you coming by, and we hope you come to beautiful Las Vegas, where the 5th Annual Snorathon is continuing, and will probably continue until about 7 or 8 o'clock a.m. Eastern Standard Time. About that time, the competition will be over, and we don't give a shit. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, I appreciate you coming to see me, and I hope you have... We appreciate you coming by. Have a great day. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Kiss it. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Good night, my angel, time to close your eyes and save these questions for another day. I think